Hi guys, this is Dalia. Welcome back to my channel. Here I'm coming to share with you guys my custom from Huacan. It finally arrived. It came in a box. This is the first from all the ones that I have purchased. This is the only one. First ones that have come in a box. The box is a little smush, but hopefully the canvas is fine. This is big, so it's not gonna fit completely on camera, so I try my best to get it on frame. Again, this is the thing. Here I got another of those little charms that they put in the package. So this is one of the last two that I was waiting to receive. The only one I haven't received is the one from Peggy Buy, and I haven't get no email, no nothing. So hopefully I'll get that. That's a lot of diamonds here. So let's put this to the side. I got the typical kit. The white clay, the wax, the pen, the sparkly pen with a 3. And then I have also a 6. And I got the tweezers, even though it doesn't say Huacan. And this one is square. Oh, there's some, I see some drills coming loose, so I gotta be careful when I open that. So let's look at this. I'm dying to see this. This is the picture. It looks very clear there. This is a 60. Let me grab my binder. This is a 60 by 90 that I got. I ordered this when there was the sale on AliExpress. So it was the 28th, around by the end of the month when it was the sale. I ordered it on the 28th. That was when the sale was going on. And I paid $15.64 for the painting. It shipped, I think it shipped, I didn't write it down, but it shipped a couple of days after, because it's a custom, so you know you gotta wait until they make them. So I would say it shipped around the 3rd, and I received it today on the 25 is today. So 18, around 18 days. This, I don't know how I'm going to do this because it is big. Oh my God, it has 50 colors. This is going to be something. This is going to take me a while to do. I'm gonna start working on this one too. So like that, I work a little bit at a time. This is big. I cannot get it all. And I'm still unrolling. It came in one of these things, which I'm gonna use these things to roll my canvas when I'm doing cross stitch, because I do it in hand. I haven't found nothing that I could oh my God, this is so hard to work with. The canvas looks good. I'm just here trying to make it fit here. So let's see if I could, this is huge. I don't know what I was thinking. That is my arm right there. But I wanted it big because I wanted the details to show. Because I'm gonna have this professional frame and have it in my living room, you know, easel. So that's why, I mean, and for the price, oh, this one says it's 90 by 60, not 60 by 90 the way I had it. It's 90 by 60. It has a little, so, oh yeah, you could see my necklace perfect. I like that. That's what I was worried about, that you won't be able to see the details of, you know, of the necklace and all that stuff, but you could see the necklace right here, perfect. I don't know if you guys could see that. I don't know how, if you guys could see. I mean, it's hard to show it on camera. This is just one part of it. I don't have space for the others. I had to turn it. So, but so far it looks good there. What's on my lips? The necklace look perfect there. I like it. And you can see the details of my dress. I really, really, really like this. Oh my God, I want to start working on this. I know I shouldn't yet because I don't have, well, I want to work on all of them at the same time. So have them done at once, all of them at once. I always have problem with this, putting this thing back. So yeah, it looks good. Oh my God, I have a big gap there. The only thing is huge. When I work on this one, I'm gonna have to work in my dining room table because I don't have space in my desk for this. That's the other side. This is the side of my daughter. And this is her dress right there. I don't have my glasses on, but I don't think this is not very clear right there. It's gonna be hard to see it. Even though I don't have my glasses on, so maybe it's just me. Because it doesn't look too clear there. And this is a big painting, so I hope the sign, it's just me that I need my glasses. So the canvas feels good. So now let's do this part over here. It's so big and it's so hard to work with. The next one I'm sending to do, I'm not gonna send it to do that big. That's my face right here. Oh, you guys could see it. It's my face right there, my eyes. Oh, it has a lot of bubbles up here. Hopefully they'll be okay. It has, the tape goes all the way over here. I had to use for thick washi. But some parts go real far. Oh, it has a big bubble right there. So yeah, that's my daughter right there. That's our faces. So yeah, I mean, you could, I know the details are gonna be very clear when I finish this, which will be maybe next year that I finish it. Gonna take me a few months to finish this, especially working a little bit at a time because it's so big. So yeah, that, I'm happy the way it looks. Again, it seems like the symbols are not clear, but that could be me because I'm not wearing my glasses, and when I wear my glasses, I see very blurry. But I get tired wearing them, so when I get home, I take them off. And I put them in my room, and I'm in my scrap room table. But yeah, it looks good. It's huge. I didn't expect, I know it was going to be big, but I wasn't expecting to be this huge. So yeah, like I said, for this one, I had to work in the kitchen, in my dining room table, because there's no way I could work with this. And I'll keep it in the hanger, and you know, when I'm not working on it. So yeah, I'm very happy the way it looks. It's gonna be nice when I finish it. It's gonna be very clear, which I'm happy with that. That's why I went a little big, but I wasn't expecting to be this big. And the one I'm ordering from every moment is what, 50 by 100, so it's way longer. So anyway, this is, sorry about that, I just dropped something because everything is this huge thing. And so anyway, that's what I wanted to, oh no, hold on, I still gotta check. Oh gosh, this is such a pain. Let me fix this before I, oh, you got glue there. So we could look at the drills. Okay, so let me put it here. I don't want to put it on the floor. Let me put it here for now. Oh my god, this thing is humongous. It fell on the floor. Oh, I'm wondering because it's still, I gotta fix the paper, so let me put it there. Oh shit, I got some here on the side, but I'll fix it. So let's see the drills. Sorry about the noise these things makes, but like I said before, this is something that sometimes is hard to avoid. So Huacan doesn't bring you the inventory sheet, so I just hope that I have enough. I'm sure that I do. So it has very clear colors. A lot of browns and orange. The good thing they come in the little bags. Oh, there's a few things on the bottom. They already come in the little bag that you don't have to change it if you don't want to. I'm looking at this. Oh, I see, because my dress has some blue and I wasn't seeing the blue, but yeah, there's some blue here. Yes, so a lot of browns, different shades of browns, some oranges, a lot of black. Like you could see, 17,479, 310. So I'm gonna have fun with that. I see there's some other colors jumping with other ones. Like this one has a brown one in there. I just saw this one that has some blue in it. So I had to fish those out when I transfer them. See, this one has some blues. That's a pretty brown, like a terracotta. There's some going down. There's some browns here. They're jumping. They're not supposed to be here, but they decided to come all the way to America. So, oh my God, but these ones are so tiny. Oh my God. Yeah, this one look very tiny. They're squares compared to the other ones. Or it's because they look that tiny. I hope they're all the same because, oh my God. But this one looks so tiny. They look very tiny. And so that one. I don't know. Hopefully they'll be fine. I have very few red. Yeah, it's more browns and teals, and these ones are escaping from here. I don't know where this one came from. So anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. My custom, which I finally got it. It looks good. The canvas is pretty good. The details are pretty good. It's just too big to get it all on camera, so I apologize about that. But anyway, once I have it, I start working on it and I have it set up in the kitchen, I do a video so you could guys see it better. So anyway, oh, other thing that I'm all over the place today, guys. I'm tired. Just came from work and I just want to do this so then I could go take a shower and rest. Then I ordered this. I ordered this which now I don't see no use for it because I have got a collection here of all this stuff. But when I bought the first kits, I didn't know that you get all that stuff all the time. So I ordered this kit, which was like $3. So it's some tools. Again, sorry for all this crinkling. So I ordered this, so it has the 2 bolts. It have more wax, and then it brings these plastic tweezers that I don't think this will be good for nothing. And then it has the 3, the 5. It has 2 of the 3, 2 of the 4 or 5, and the 6. I still don't have a huge or the big one, the 10 one. I don't have. I think I do. No, I don't. I still don't have one of the big ones, so hopefully I get that one in the kit. But anyway, I ordered these things, which I shouldn't have, but I didn't know about that. And then I got this one, a Michael. So I could be this one is 50 colors and this one holds 52 colors. So I'm sure that the other at the last two I could fill it out with an extra 310. So I will have three 310 and then a color for each one. So tomorrow I will kit it up in here so I could have it ready and I could start, you know, start doing a little bit here and there. So now I'm leaving. So thank you for watching and until next time.